We're going to work with coterminal angles. Coterminal angles have the same exact initial side, which is the x-axis, the positive x-axis, and the same exact terminal side, but the rotation differ by full revolutions. And full revolutions are going to be plus or minus 360 degrees. So 45 degrees, which would be this angle right here, and 45 plus 360 degrees, let me give you a picture, going to have the same terminal side, same initial side, but this time I'm adding 360 plus the 45. Coterminal angles. And here's another one, 45 plus 360 plus 360 degrees. So we know it's going to be a terminal side, smack dab in the middle of quadrant 1, but this time our rotation is 360 degrees once, 360 degrees twice, plus that 45 degrees. Don't forget the arrowhead touching the terminal side. Those three angles are coterminal angles. Likewise, we could take 45 degrees and subtract 360. That's going to give me an angle that looks like this. Still coterminal angles with 45 degrees. I could subtract 360 twice. Subtracting it twice, and I still end up in that same location. So to find coterminal angles, we add or subtract full revolutions. Here's an example. Find a positive and a negative coterminal angle for 210 degrees. To find a positive coterminal angle, we're going to take 210.5 degrees and we're going to add 360 degrees. And when we add those two angles together, we get, I need to come over here, add 360. I'm going to get 0.5075. 570.5 degrees. Do not forget your degree mark. That is a positive coterminal angle, which means this angle lying in quadrant 2, there's 210 degrees, and there is 570.5 degrees. 210.5 and 570.5. They will end in the same exact location. Coterminal angles. Negative coterminal angles. Here's a negative coterminal angle. We're going to take 210.5 degrees and we're going to subtract 360. That's going to give us a negative angle. So 360 minus 210.5 is going to be, let's see, 9, 8, and 1. 189.5. Is that right? I don't think that's right. Is that right? 149. 5 minus 1 is 4. 149. 149.5, most definitely. So that's a negative 149.5 degrees. And that's what this would look like. Look at that. Look off to your left. Do you see me drawing it over there? They all land in the same place. They all have the same starting place. Look at this. This is the first one in gold. There's the gold one. Okay, that was the first one. Starting on the positive x-axis. Here's the second one, starting on the positive x-axis, ending at the same terminal side. And then your green one, starting at the positive x-axis, ending at the terminal side. That's coterminal angles. And we're going to use a lot of coterminal angles working with our unit circle.